A strong vision can inspire people to act, but inspiration alone won't get the work done. To move from vision to action, you need to break down that big picture ambition into clear, practical steps. That's where targets, goals, objectives, and indicators come in. They help you define what success looks like in concrete terms, outline the interim steps to get there, and establish how you will track whether your efforts are on course. In the next task, we will explore how to set smart targets and objectives, and how to choose the right indicators to measure progress along the way.